Alright, so I want to show you guys one of the reasons why I like to keep a pond right next to my garden. And right over there, I don't want to get too close because you get scared, is a frog. It's not a toad, that's a frog. And so what the frogs do in the evening and at nighttime is they go from the pond into my garden and they start feeding on all the bugs in here. And they really clean up the garden pretty good and getting all those low-lying insects that cause problems. But oftentimes they come in my garden, I will see frogs and toads all buried in and around underneath my plants. They generally don't like to be in the sun, but they do come in here and they really do a lot of cleaning up. So that's one of the main reasons why I keep a pond here with the fish and all of that stuff, because the frogs really help control and police the bug problems I have here. They eat the crickets and all the other things. And the crickets, yes, they can damage your plants. That's probably one of the insects that are eating holes in my peppers. So this guy right here, or girl, is doing their job by simply eating those bugs. And that's why I have that pond. So I just wanted to show you. Now this is common. I see this quite often, especially after rains and after heavy morning dews when everything's wet and dripping. These frogs love to go through the garden and really clean it up. And I have to be careful sometimes coming in here because these frogs can really be anywhere. They generally like to hang underneath the weeds, though I have removed a lot of the plants. You can see I ripped out all my, where is it over there? I ripped out all my lemon balm and all that because I want these beds ready for next year. And so I prepare them in the wintertime. And by getting all the weeds out now and making sure there's nothing in there, and then I cover everything with leaves and prep it really good for next year. But in the meantime, the frogs are in here really doing a great job. All right, so if you don't have a pond, I recommend you get a pond. It'll fill itself up with frogs naturally. Just keep it clean. Put some goldfish in there. They'll suck all the mosquitoes out of the entire area, and you'll get these frogs, and these frogs will help control the insects in your garden. All right, so just wanted to share that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.